Welcome to our beginner's guide to Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. In this video, we will explore the benefits of this incredible weight loss drink and provide you with all the information you need to get started on your journey to a healthier and leaner belly. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a powerful natural drink that is known for its ability to aid in weight loss. Made from a combination of carefully selected ingredients, this juice provides a range of health benefits beyond just helping you shed those extra pounds. The secret behind the effectiveness of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice lies in its unique blend of ingredients. Each ingredient is specifically chosen for its weight loss properties and ability to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and improve digestion. This powerful combination is what makes it so effective in helping you achieve your weight loss goals. The benefits of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice go beyond weight loss. Regular consumption of this juice can also improve your overall health. It can help lower cholesterol levels, improve digestion, boost immunity, and increase energy levels. Additionally, it is packed with antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Now that you know the benefits of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, let's learn how to make it. The recipe is simple and only requires a few ingredients that are easily available. By following the steps we provide, you'll be able to prepare this delicious and nutritious juice in no time. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a fantastic weight loss drink that offers a range of health benefits. By incorporating this juice into your daily routine, you can kickstart your weight loss journey and enjoy improved overall health. So why wait? Give it a try and experience the amazing benefits for yourself.